Scaling your business requires that you have the framework that can sustain its growth into a national or even a multinational business. The starting point of this is for you to register your business and also to get the tax identification number for your business so that you can pay your taxes and make it a legit business. In one of our previous videos, I took the time to show you the step-by-step process of registering your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to take your business one step further by getting the tax identification number for it so that you can pay your taxes to government and be a legit business. Hello guys, I am Don John and you are welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon so that you can get all the notification for my new videos, because they are all about how to start and grow your business. Also, do well to share this video, do well to like it, and leave a comment on any kind of video that you want to watch or anything that you don't understand about this particular video in the comment section, and I'll personally respond to them or create the videos that you want to watch so that you can get more value out of this channel. And the key thing you need to get started is the registration number from the Corporate Affairs Commission, and you should have that handy because in a short while you are going to need it. So let's get started. The first thing I'll do is to open my browser and then use the Google search bar to type in TIN registration. On the results page, you can see this "Welcome to Joint Tax Board TIN's registration portal." So I'll click on that one, and here we have options: TIN verification portal, TIN registration, register for TIN non-individual, register for TIN individual. So the one we want to do here is to register for non-individual, which also means corporate registration. So I'll click on this, and here this page opens up for us to start filling the form. So the first thing we can see here is TIN registration non-individual. Okay, so we see the organization type. You click on the drop down, and here I'm going to business name because that is what I registered, that is the number that I have. But if you have any other number, just select the kind of business that you have. So mine is the business name. Now here's the place that you are going to put in the registration number. So I'll go and fetch my own now. So this is the certificate that we just registered a few days ago, and you can see here the business name registration number. I'm going to copy this and head back to where I have the registration number, and I'll paste it. So here I'm going to add BN, which means business name. As you can see, after putting in the registration number, the business name has now been populated automatically. So this website and the Corporate Affairs Commission website are linked together so that by the time you put in your business name, it's going to pull out the name of the business by itself. So what I'll do here is to click on next, and here the form opens up for me to fill in the details. Now mind you are going to see that some of the details are pre-filled because those are going to come from the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. So what you just need to do is to go ahead and fill the ones that are not filled already. So let's go through this together. The first one here is the main trade name, and you can already see the name here that it has brought from the Corporate Affairs Commission website. The second one is the phone number, and you can see this is in asterisks, so you have to fill it. So you put your phone number here. If you have a second number, then you go ahead and put it here. The next one is the email address. Go ahead and put your email here. The next one is the date of commencement, and you have to remember the date you filled in the Corporate Affairs Commission website. Okay, so you put that same date here and mark the format. This is month, day, and year, so it has to be in that format. This one has been pre-filled for you, is the date of incorporation, and the next one is for you to select the business sector. So just like we did earlier, you have to select the one that best suits what you are going to do, and then select it and fill it there. This one says financial year begins, then you have the day and the month, so you can put in when your own financial year begins, whether it begins in July or it begins in December, it begins in January. That's totally left for you. Now on this share capital, as you can see, it's not in asterisk, so you don't really need to bother yourself about this. And on this other side, you can see here line of business, you can see the country, see the state, the local government. So go ahead and fill these things correctly. This is the street name. This has been brought over from the CSC website, and then the street number. So you put this, so you have to fill this street number, and then this is the financial year ends. Okay, so you state when it starts and when it ends, but as you can see, it's not really that compulsory because it doesn't have this red asterisk. After this one, the next thing you need to do is to come down to where they have the director details. Here you can see the full name, phone number, email, address, and shares. Okay, so what this simply means is that if you have more than one director, you can fill in the name of the second director here. Okay, but if I scroll this up a bit, you can see that it already comes with the name of the director that I filled already in the CAC website. So when you are done with that, it's for you to come down here and click on I am not a robot, and then click on submit. I'll go ahead and fill this form down, and by the time I'm done, I'll come back and click on submit. Okay guys, so I'm done with filling of this form, and I'm going to scroll down here to where I have I am not a robot. I'll click on this checkbox, and you can see it's saying I should select all the squares with bicycle. So I'll just go ahead and select all these squares. So that is done, and I'll come here to click on submit. Okay guys, you can see here it says TIN request submitted successfully, and this is the request ID. So I'm going to close this out. So if you check in your inbox, you're going to see that your TIN number has been submitted successfully. Here's my inbox, and you can see here all the mail I have gotten. This is name reservation, this is registration of business name, this is the approval. So you can see all these things, and just now I have gotten another one, TIN request creation notice. Alright, so that means that we have requested a TIN number. We are just going to wait for a short while, and our TIN number will be created and sent to us. Okay guys, it's been a few days since we registered for our tax identification number. Now head over to my inbox to see if it has been approved. This is my inbox, and this is it. It has been approved. You can see the message has not been opened yet. So let's see how long it took from the time I submitted the application to when it was approved. This is the date we made the request. As you can see, it was made on March 13th, and it was approved, or should I say it was ready on March 15th. So let me open this and see. It comes with an attachment. Hi Kudina Kiddies, congratulations, your application for TIN was successful and approved. So this is the number, and let's see the attachment. This is the attachment, and wow, you can see right in the comfort of my house, this is the date it was issued, 15 March. I'm telling you, these things are made so easy now, both for you to register the business and to get your tax identification number. Okay guys, so that has been it. This has been a very short video and very straightforward. So just go ahead and do this thing, register for your TIN number, because this is one of the ways that you are setting up yourself for success. I'll see you in the next video.